Hello students, this is Professor Swati Rajput and today I am going to share with you lecture second of my series Analog and Digital Communication. This subject is mainly in CSIT and EC department. So we are studying today types of system. And what is system? Okay, so let's get started and say Janandam to all. So first of all, we will understand what is system. A system may be defined as a set of elements or functional block which are connected together and produces an output in response to an input signal. The response or output of the system depends upon transfer function of the system. The functional relationship between the input and output may be written as y of t is equal to fx of t. So here you can see CT and DT. Do you remember what I taught you in signals? Signals are of two types. What are they? First one is CT and second one is DT. Similarly, you can see over here similar terms CT and DT. So our system is also divided in CT and DT. CT is continuous system and DT is discrete system. Okay. So here you can see system we have x of t and we have y of t. So here x of t is the input part and y of t is the output part. So a system is something that some input that system is taking and producing some output. So here you can see this is taking some input and it is producing some output over here. So this is called as a system. Okay. Now we will see classification of system. As signals were divided, similarly systems are also divided. So systems are divided in this many parts. First one is linear and non-linear system, time variant and time invariant system, casual or non-casual system, stable and unstable system, static and dynamic system. So one by one we will learn everything. Okay. So let us start with linear and non-linear system. So first of all, what is linear system? Linear system is a collection of two or more linear equations involving the variable where the goal is to find the values for the variable that satisfy all the equations simultaneously. This system can have one unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. So here what this is saying, it is a collection of two or more linear equations as you can see over here. This is one linear equation, this is two linear equation or a collection of multiple linear equations. Okay, so this system can have unique solutions, it can have no solution, or it can also give you infinite solutions. Okay. Similarly, non-linear system, what will be non-linear system? It is a complex physical mathematical system that, that will give you something that is not linear, okay? Like in linear system, we were getting many solutions, single or even no solution. So here it is a little bit different, okay? Now we'll go to time invariant and time variant system. In time invariant system, those output characteristics do not change over time, meaning the same input applied to different times produces the same output, just shifted in time. If input x of t produces output y of t, a time invariant system ensures input produced. These systems are characterized by constant coefficient in their governing equation and often modeled using impulse response or LTI system. Here you can see x of t in this system and what we are getting, a delay by t. This you will understand more when I'll tell you how to solve the questions. Okay. What is a time variant system? A time variant system is a dynamic system whose internal parameters or input-output characteristic change over time. Input applied at a different time produces different output. Same input applied at different times. Same input I will apply at different times. I'll get different output all the times. Okay. Simply, signal does not result an identical simple delay in the output. Okay, here you can see this. Now, casual and non-casual system. A casual system is a system in which output at any time depends only on the present or past input values, not on the future input values. These systems are non-anticipative and physically realizable because they do not rely on future information to produce a result, making them foundational in engineering and physics. Okay, so here we have an input and we are getting outputs. Okay, but the output that we are getting, that will be dependent on the present input or the past input. It will not depend on any of the future input. It will not require any future input to give an output. Okay, whereas in the non-casual system, the output at any time depends on the future input. Here only we can see the difference. There, what in casual system, we were seeing that it depends on the past and present. And in non-casual, what it is dependent on? It is dependent on the future input to give the output. Okay, in addition to the present and past input. These systems are not physically reliable in real time because they require knowledge of future yet to occur events. Okay. So more reliable, which one is more reliable, casual or non-casual? Of course, casual is not more reliable than non-casual. Why? Because present input and past input we all know, but future input that has not occurred, it is very difficult to know that. So it is not reliable. They are useful in theoretical analysis and offline application like image processing. Okay. Now, casual and non-casual. There is a small difference I have shown over here. Many a times you tend to tell the difference between casual and non-casual. Okay. Then we'll go through stable and unstable system. A stable system is a control system that maintains a bounded output for any bounded input, ensuring it remains under control and resists it returns to its equilibrium states after a disturbance defined mathematically by poles in the left half of the S-plane. And what is an unstable system? It is a control or physical system that produces an unbounded, large, or unpredictable output in response to a small bounded input, often diverging to infinity or falling to return to equilibrium. Common indicators include exponential growth, uncontrolled oscillation, or pole located in the right half plane of the S domain. Okay. So here I have discussed an overview of all the different systems and what you all have to learn about it. So in next series, what we will learn will be questions, how to solve, and given equation will be there, and you will have to tell that it is casual or non-casual, linear or non-linear, or periodic, non-periodic. So I'll tell you how you are going to tell it. Okay, that's all for today. If you like, you can share my videos and say channel them to all. Okay.